Want to earn 7 paychecks with one roll? Welcome to the OLSP system. If you're looking to build wealth through affiliate marketing, the OLSP system is your ultimate tool. Imagine earning from 7 different sources all through a single link. With OLSP, you get sticky cookie technology for lifetime commissions, a Tier 2 money matrix boosting your ROI by 200%, and access to an in-house buyers list to drive targeted traffic. Plus, comprehensive training videos guide you every step of the way. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, OLSP's community support and resources make success achievable. You can start with a free backdoor account, and when you're ready, upgrade for just $7 to get your URL mega link and start posting on social media. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and watch your earnings snowball. Join the OLSP system today and take the first step towards financial independence. One mega link to rule them all. The OLSP system, your path to multiple income streams and entrepreneurial success.